Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use Tradermap.io. First, let me tell you why we built it. We wanted Tradermap to be completely free. Other platforms charge their users for far less data than what we offer, and making this free wasn't easy. We had to go through a massive optimization process. But about a year later, Tradermap was finally ready. And just as planned, it's free forever. We'll always keep improving it, though we also believe there's already a lot to work with right from the start. The core purpose of this project is simple. Track the whales. Tradermap is designed to show you everything on a single page. Whale trades, liquidations, news, prediction trades, and more. When you first land on the site, you'll notice two options: Basic and Terminal. People are paying hundreds of dollars a month just for a terminal like this. We're giving it to you for free. I'll go ahead and select Terminal. As you can see, everything is clean, no ads, no sign-up required. We're just here to give you data. In the whale trade section, you can follow the exact positions whales are opening in real time. There is zero delay. All data comes directly from the exchanges. We never interfere with it. You can also use the filter to display only the trades matching the volume range you care about. When a significant trade comes in, you'll get a notification. Just keep the tab open, that's all you need. And since there are no ads running in the background, the site is designed to put zero strain on your computer. The liquidation section shows you the liquidations whales are experiencing. We've made it easy to understand at a glance. If a long liquidation comes in, it shows up in red. Because when a long gets liquidated, it means the price is dropping, which is a negative signal. For shorts, it's the exact opposite. The prediction trades section works the same way. Everything is tracked in real time. Here you can follow the predictions people are making on current trends and specific cryptocurrencies. The news section is fantastic. It aggregates every major news source and even tells you which coin each story is related to. So instead of jumping between hundreds of different sites to stay informed, you've got everything in one place. In the size distribution section, we break down all trades made in the last 24 hours. And this can give you a serious edge in anticipating where the market is headed next. We generally focus on whales trading above $10 million. If longs are dominant, the market tends to continue in that direction. Hyperliquid positions shows you all currently open positions on Hyperliquid. If you want to dig deeper, you can click directly through to our dedicated Hyperliquid page. At the very top, you can track ETF flows, as well as the daily volume and liquidations we've recorded. Hit the chart button if you'd like to follow everything on a live chart. And if you don't want to hear notification sounds, or just want to adjust the volume, there's a button for that too. That's Tradermap Terminal. Simple, free, and more useful than any paid tool out there. We're traders just like you, and we'll keep building whatever we find ourselves needing. Thanks for watching.